All you have to do is first, make sure you have your friend added on your friends list inside whichever console you want to play. After you ensure that both of you are friends with each other and both of you are located on each other's friends list, open up the game and select whichever mode you want to play inside NBA 2K23. After you load into the lobby for the game mode you want to play, you should see this icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and as you can see from it, all you have to do to invite your friends is to click the right stick on your controller. Once you click the right stick, it will bring up a dashboard and you will be able to invite them as long as, like I said, both of you are added and on each other's friends list. Once they accept the invite, they will join the same lobby as you and the game mode you selected, and you will both be able to play on different teams or the same, and you can also set up the game as you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to play one-on-one on NBA 2K23 with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.